Hi there, this is Amity here. I'm a software engineer working mobile as well as web application development. Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up Ionic application environment in Visual Studio Code from zero. And also I will create a project using Ionic 6 and AngularJS. Though you can use any other JavaScript libraries instead of Angular like React, Vue.js or any other. I will show you those options later on this video. Okay, let's go Ionic. So like I said, and their website also mentioned like Ionic is a framework, a UI toolkit that can create a high quality of mobile applications and web. And nowadays they are jumping into the PWA also, progressive web application, using the same like Angular or other JavaScript frameworks. So let's set up the Ionic application. So first of all, to set up an Ionic application environment, we have to have a Node.js and NPM. NPM is the package manager installer, like all the JavaScript libraries that we need for the Ionic application, we can install through the NPM. So I'm going to install a stable version of Node.js from their website, nodejs.org. Let me pause the video and I'll back after I install. Accept the terms and condition. Next. Next. You don't have to do anything here. Stop. Yes. Okay, I'm done with installations. Now I'm going to open a Visual Studio Code. Let me check either my npm is installed or not. npm, yeah, looks like my npm is running. Let me check version and all the thing. Oh yeah, 4.1.4. The npm is up and running. So npm node package manager comes with the Node.js bundle. So I have an npm. So what else I need? I have an npm running on the node. I have to have an Ionic application. So I will install Ionic application using npm. Ionic install -z will install the application globally. Ionic CLI. Let me pause the video again. Okay, I'm done with installation. So my first part, the Ionic setup is done. So let me check Ionic version. Ionic version, no, sorry, my bad. Ionic SV. Okay, so I have 6.1.8. Ionic 6 is up and running. npm is here. Node as well as. Okay, so the next step is create an application. Okay, I will use Ionic CLI command line argument Ionic start. Okay, so the command line asks me use the app creation using wizard. Okay, if you say yes, it will open up a whole tool, a UI tool, where you can select bunch of informations like all the steps needs to done for the web application setup. Let me choose yes, and I will show you how it looks like. So here you can write app name, type of applications, tabs type like tab on the footer, or menu type comes on the sidebar, or the list like list of bunch of things on the main screen. You can use the JavaScript framework, Angular, Vue, or React. And you just have to do continue and it will create application for you. But we are going through the command line argument. So let me cancel this and to the whole process again. Ionic start. I will say no. I will go with the Angular option. I'll put the name Ionic demo app. I will go with the side menu. Like in the sidebar, you will see the bunch of menus coming out as your categories. Okay. So to set up application, it takes around like 1 or 2 minutes, and I'll back again. I would say no. And we are done with creating application. You can see the whole structure of application on the left side. Okay, pretty much we are done with creating application. Let's see. Let me try to run the application. Okay, let me go to the directory. Ionic demo app. Sorry. Ionic, sorry. Spelling mistake, my bad. Okay, so we are in the Ionic demo app project folder. Let me run that again. So this project going to run on the Chrome or any browser available in my computer, like a normal web app. But later on, I will tell you how to develop this applications look and feel like a mobile application development. Here you can see this is like a web app. So either you can do just open the dev tool and make, let me, I don't want to use this browser. I like to use Chrome. Okay. Either uses debug like a mobile app and you can look and feel how it looks like, or there is another options, a better way. Let me open up. So I will use Ionic Lab. So Ionic Lab is a Ionic company. The Ionic itself provided a platform that you'll see your running applications in different type of platform in Ionic, in Android or iOS or in the Microsoft platform. Let me run Ionic serve. I will say that's just lab. Okay. So if you are running lab first time, it will ask you like, are you sure you want to run on the lab, or they will ask you to set up a lab account. Since my account is already, oh no, I don't have. So they'll ask me for the install the Ionic Lab. So I said yes. Okay, so you can see now you can feel like you are running a mobile app on your desktop. So bunch of menus, you can click. This is the iOS setup. You can feel how your app will look like on the Android app, or maybe Windows also. Nobody uses Windows nowadays, so I don't want to use that. So pretty much it. So as a nutshell, what we did, we set up environment using Node.js. We installed the Node.js that comes with the NPM package manager. Then using the NPM, let me show you. New terminal. Okay, so then using Node.js NPM, we install a Ionic CLI, command line interface. So it's more like a command line for the next you're running the application and everything, and also your Ionic is installed here. So we install the Ionic CLI, then we create a project using Ionic start, and we selected the Angular so that we can see the Angular packages and everything over here, set it up. And I use a sidebar menu, not a tab and other like blank or other options. So and we also set up the Ionic Lab to make your development process easier, and you can look and feel like a real mobile app like this. So that's it. Thank you so much, guys.